Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for Team Charity. Let's start with our middle blocker, number 8 from the Senate, Chichi Dumiera. Setter, number 9 from Comelec, Jamie Yuma. Outside hitter, number 16 from the Senate, Javin Sabas. Another outside hitter, number 17 from SSS, Arby Camacho. Opposite hitter, number 18 from Comelec, Dan Gentroli. Millbucker, number 14 from SSS, Pitoy Samwa. Starting libero at number 4 from SSS, Paul Saya. Head coach of Team Charity, Cedric Eugenio. Call on our starters from Team Goodwill. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1 from DFA, Mal Santa Maria. Opposite hitter, number 8 from BFP, Fire Officer 2, Ganga Beliana. Millbucker, number 11 from Judiciary, Arnie Pesebre. Another middle blocker, number 18 from BFP, Fire Officer 1, Stephanie Adolfo. Outside hitter, number 14 from DFA, Yvonne Reyes. Setter, number 12 from BFP, Fire Officer 1, Jaja Kainlet. Starting libero at number 14 from BFP, Fire Officer 1, Mai Magbantay. Head coach of Team Goodwill, Fire Officer 3, Franz Bautista. It's Team Charity versus Team Goodwill. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
We'll know what kind of sets they're going to give players like Pachari. Yumang would know. And she has Gendrali. That's quite a lineup you have there on the left side of your screen. And this should be a good one. This should be a lot of fun, actually.
It would be interesting to see anong klaseng chemistry ang makikita natin from the combination of players. Pero nakikita natin nag-uusap-usap sila, mga nakasmile sa loob ng court.
Araneta Coliseum. Si Judy Dabil, briefly nakausap ko. She's here. She's been lined up. She said she wanted to lend support to the UVL. And she has expressed on social media that because she played in the UVL, she's in condition. And that's why she was ready to go back into the PVL. That's a great story.
Yes, indeed. But for now,
eto, cheerleader muna siya.
Oo. Gusto ko yung umpisa pa lang. Yung crowd natin talagang napapasigaw.
Umihiyaw na. Yumang will be there. Camacho on courts. Santa Maria gets a starting call here. And here comes Kainlet. Too close to the net. Nearly a regalo opportunity. Here comes Reyes. Dead in the water.
At the right angle to let the ball clear the net.
What better way to spend a Sunday afternoon? Let's play, exercise. Ano, maglalaba ka, matutulog ka? Laro na lang. Here we go, down the middle. Adolfo, Panay Adolfo has had quite a season. Unfortunate for the BFP. They had such a magnificent run of 11 straight wins. They could not get into the finals. But Charing scores, and it's 2-0.
That's a great spot for the ball to land dahil lahat ng depensa umaatras. Hindi na nakaabante to get that ball.
All set to serve is Javin Sabas. Ball handling problems for the team of Goodwill. Yumang makes it a set. Pachari with a standing spike. Kainlet goes in the middle to Panay. The kick! It won't work. Camacho's football move does not work.
Not enough to keep the ball alive.
Ang rule dito, everybody plays, ha?
Oo, everybody plays.
Laki ng saya ng headache ng coaches nito.
Alam mo, very tricky din yan because nga it is a combination of players. Kailangan mo, you have to be mindful yung mga position din nila. Oo.
The most you will understand, you know who the setters are.
Yes.
ties up the count at 2. Smiles all around, which is the spirit of this game. Huh? Here comes the strike into the back row, Santa Maria. The shot by Reyes, no. Drop is out. The point will go to Goodwill and they grab the upper hand.
Good intention, pero poor execution.
Alam mo, isa pang masaya rito, who will wear what number? Kung pare-pareho yung number, you know? Oh! What the other side, Menchi Tobiera was not ready for that.
Ang saya nung atmosphere, hindi lang yung laro, pero pati yung ating audience.
And being hyped up by DJ Adam, of course. This shot is too long for Javen Sabas. And Goodwill advances by 3.
Good pass, but didn't reach their setter. Nagiging problema nila yung first ball.
Oh, which is now a shot that goes up. Goodwill now with a 4-point lead. Actually, ang registered is number 12. I see Alcancia. But number 12 na nagsaserve ay si Kainglet ng BFP. Here comes Humang with the set. Pachari has not tried a big spike so far. The shot is in the corner in zone 1. Clearly so.
You gotta love the aggressiveness, no, na nakikita natin dito for Goodwill team. Again.
Oh! It's not a good day.
It isn't, especially for the first ball. It has been the problem of Team Charity.
Menchi Tobiera messing that up. Let's try to listen and this should be fun.
This timeout is brought to you by Campbell's PH Sportswear. Quality matters. Basic.
Diretso lang tayo, diretso lang. Abangan si Pagan lang sa block din. Nasa harapan, kayang-kaya. Next one, ma'am.
In the Philippines, EFS.
Ano lang, sipag lang sa, abang-abang lang sa bola talaga, ma'am. Kasi medyo malakas yung spiker nila sa harapan.
Ma'am! Game tayo, game. Disin tayo. Isang disin na maganda.
Pakilala kaya muna kayo sa isa.
Charity pala pangalan natin. Charity kaya pala. Huwag masyado tayo charity. Charity pala din natin. Nakikat masyado. Quick ka. Ako po. Ako. Open ka.
One stop muna, one stop.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Charity!
Gaya nga nang nabanggit kanina, this is an exhibition game, so it's all about the fun and enjoyment of the players. At syempre, celebration na rin dahil sa naging successful ng second season ng UVL. But it's a different story para dito kay Pachari Sangmuang. Sabi niya, this season is all about bringing her back to life. Yun talaga yung sinabi niya dahil 4 years siyang nawala sa volleyball prior to joining the UVL. And in that span of 4 years, she has been trying to get back to volleyball. Sumasali daw siya sa mga one-day leagues, pero iba pa rin daw yung competition na nadadala ng formal na liga. Kaya naman, sabi niya, masaya siyang nakasali dito sa UVL. Sabi niya, it's the blood in her veins. Dahil na-envision daw niya yung sarili niya na even at 40 years old, ay naglalaro pa rin siya ng volleyball. Sabi niya, kahit saglit lang daw siyang maglaro, basta nasa environment pa rin siya ng volleyball, ay masaya pa rin itong si Pachari Sangmuang. Balik sa inyo.
Oh boy, if you've been the captain of the Thai national team and you have made the Philippines your home, you're right at home. Perfect combination. And Humang will serve now. Yung timeout hindi seryoso, no? Halata, no?
Actually, kanina nga, no, habang nakikinig tayo, nakakatuwa na nag-enjoy sila dun sa huddle. Pero yung biro ni Coach, magpakilala muna nga kayo sa isa't isa. At merong isang nagsabi na, Team Charity tayo, pero wag masyadong charity.
Sino ba si Charity, sabi niya? In the meantime, Mabellana makes it a 7-point per set.
Alam mo, pag gumawa ng All-Star, dito natin makikita ng mga kombinasyon ng mga players.
Alas yan!
What has worked for Team Goodwill sa ngayon, talagang nilalakasan nila yung kanilang serve. And giving trouble ito sa first ball ng Team Charity.
Serve of Panay-Adolfo lands in the net, giving Charity its fourth point. And on the other side, we'll have Pachari Samwang all set to serve. I love the fact that she has made the Philippines her home. Speaks in Tagalog occasionally. And what a name she's made for herself. Remember when she was in the one of the leagues we did, Grabe yung palo talaga. This is hit out by Magpantay, the libero of the PFP. Alam mo, Ira, nakapag-practice ba ito? Magandang tanong, Nagkita-kita ba ito? In the meantime, Pesebre with a shot that is blocked away.
Sa ngayon, nakikita natin dito kay Team Goodwill yung kanilang very smooth, yung kanilang laro. Parang maganda yung communication.
Hindi sila error prone.
Oo, very steady.
In the meantime, Yvonne Reyes gets a service ace as that is hit outside.
They've been enjoying this lead against Team Charity.
Alam mo, this game will be too short because of the fun they're having. But it's only 3 sets, so it could be also just 2 sets.
Oh, look at that! Na-save pa.
Jen Browley has been a revelation for the Comelec. Their team landed in the semifinals, but couldn't get by the AFP. And now we have Camacho set to serve.
RB Camacho, serving.
Camacho service in place. Santa Maria back. And connection zone 1.
Alam mo, nagiging problema ng Team Charity, first ball at depensa.
Correct.
Sa ngayon. So, itong Team Goodwill, just nothing fancy actually. Nabalik lang sa kabila. Pinupwestohan ng kanilang atake.
That serve though, an attempt by Abelian to go down the line. Alam mo, para madali ang coaching nito, palaruin ng first set itong ito, palaruin mo ng second set, palasahin mo na. Diba? Ilan pa sila lang? Tigta 12 at least ito Tigpo 14 siguro. This serve is in the net by Danica Gendrauli. And the serve will now belong to Pesebre. Arnie Pesebre, who was one of the main cogs of the judiciary team, one of the vibrant teams we've had. Santa Maria tries to chase it, no space, lands in the net. 15-8 is the count. 8 will be serving against 15 as we'll have Menchie Tobiera serving. The coaches are trying to be serious, pero they're all tawa ng tawa lahat ng player nila.
Ganun ka-enjoy.
Tobiera with a good save. Pachari, good pick-up that time by Reyes, but then able to send it to her center. We're going to have a change in the lineup. Cecilio is going to come in. Sheila comes in for Gendrauli. Samosino will come in for Yuma.
Very interesting ito yung sinasabi natin. Paano kaya yung decision making sa coaching staff kung yung balasa nila? But,
buti na lang, si Clint Malaso doon. Sanay maging assistant yan, di ba?
Oo.
Wala yung lolo niya Coach Roger. What a partnership between those two.
Oh, yes.
Tobiera's serve is very much in play. Here comes Santa Maria. Handled well now by Tobiera, who's now settled down. Blocked, but kept in play. It's stabbed over. Here's Kainlet set down the middle. Panay-Adolfo. Yes, they get it. They got it.
Okay, point for Team Goodwill. Tingnan natin yung ulit.
Ayun napaikot yung lights judge.
Okay, so
I did not have a good check on the position of the ball. Pachari blocked.
Good coverage.
Yes, indeed. It's off the net. Santa Maria skidding to the floor. Down the middle we go with the long ball.
Nadadali sa depensa itong Team Charity.
We'll have Olivere, who is the team captain of the DFA, as well as Yuboco, are going to come in for the first time, putting out the 2 players from the BFP.
So nice to see. Lahat sila nakangiti.
Yep.
Oo, lahat sila nakatawa.
Walang stress, walang ano. Yung second game, mamaya, puro stress yun.
Ayun, oh.
Santa Maria with a good serve. Kept in play nonetheless. It's gonna work. Pauline Saya is on the floor as libero. She's, of course, a player for the SSS. And we're going to go with the serve now. Yep, Sabas. Reyes. Cecilio. Oh! Nakalimutan ni Samsino center siya.
Hindi nagka-intindihan.
Sorry. 18-10 Goodwill with an 8-point lead.
I think yung confusion din kasi sa unang set, sa set si Cecilio ang nagsiset.
Yun naman ang downside ng All-Star game. Oh! Nancy Tobiera, now steady as ever. Set now by Yuboco. The tap by Abiliana. Yuboco jumping for it. Reyes. It's a scramble. Pachari. Abiliana wants it, but it's the shot of Olivere. Oh, it's allowed. First long rally. Who will commit the error here? This should be fun.
Oh, the defense on point for Team Goodwill.
The drop 1-2. Yuboco. By Emiliano.
Sa sobrang tibay ng kanilang depensa at palitan, naghihintay na lang sinong mag-e-error.
Alam mo, ang tagal ko na sa volleyball, ngayon ko lang na-realize, pag long rally, ang ending usually hindi mag-point.
Error.
Error. May magkakabala, may mapapagod at mapapagod. The drop. Abiliana trying to make up for that missed shot earlier. Pesebre is there. Reyes with the drop. Good read, good coverage downstairs. To the back row. Arnie Pesebre steady, and there's a net touch. And it's a second row player. 18-12 though. Comfortable lead by Goodwill. Let's see how this works by Samosino. Janice's serve is in play. Abiliana. And she neatly drops it in.
Ang bilis ng ating first set.
Masisap Wama, 41 years old, dolphin pa rin.
Oo.
Hindi wala yung instinct na yun, ano?
Muscle memory and everything.
Bawi-bawi. Achari is knocking that through two defenders. Watch this. Butas na butas. 6-point lead by Goodwill. Service by Pitoy. Santa Maria. Pesebre. Cecilio. Nancy Tobiera. What a recovery.
Team Charity coming to life.
Alam mo, hindi maganda start ni Menchi, pero it's not how you start, it's how you play in the course of the set.
At saka you cannot dwell on those early mistakes, early errors.
Off the block, and Tobiera unable to contain it. We're going to have a new player. This is Marley Boras, who plays or the judiciary, why the spiker herself. Alam mo yung scorer, malilito rin kung sino yung sinusundan. Kung tayo nga, nalilito kung sino magkakampi rito, nahihilo itong dalawa rito. Tinaas ni Santa Maria. Yopoco sends it to the other side. Oh, what a save! Hindi lang umabot. What a save by Cecilio.
Almost. Sabi ni Peter, sayang. Lumalayo itong Team Goodwill.
Grabe warm-up ito para sa ating main game, which is the second game in the championship. Already the PNP with the team that drawing first blood after a win 2 weeks ago. Pachari. Hook pass. Yubogo.
Nagmamadali itong Team Goodwill. But you know, I have to commend itong ating mga selection of players na naglalaro ngayon. Because, again, hindi naman madali, no, that you're playing with different set of teammates on the floor. Pero for Team Goodwill, showing just how much fun they are having right now.
Yan ang masaya dun eh, di ba?
Oo.
Diba? Saka masarap sa women's game. After that, tawa na lang tayo. Tawa na lang tayo. Yung mga lalaki, magsiseryosohan pa, magsusungitan pa eh. Ito, tawa lang tayo.
Ito, habang nasa game eh, oh.
Ito, seryoso kunwari.
Oh, look at that defense.
Cut shot. Oh, Pachari, turning back the hands of time. Pagpantay is there. Down the middle we go.
You gotta love it. I really seen this entire conference para dito sa mga to. Pero yung kanilang kilos ngayon, nakikita mo, mabilis.
Yes.
Mabilis. And hindi nila kinakapa ang isa't isa.
Dairo is in for Abellana on the side of Goodwill. 2 points away from taking the first set. Sabas with the dig pass. Santa Maria can't nail it though.
Really having trouble with the first ball. We're talking about Team Charity. Di sila makaset up.
Nice acrobatics by Dairo, but that's a gentle tap by Cecilio. Araneta Coliseum nga pala, pataas ang tingin sa score. Pagpako Arena sa kaliwa ang tingin.
But also for the players, it really feels good. Nasa Araneta Coliseum ka, diba? Nakaka-hype.
Naman, hindi rin nakatulog kagabi ito. Siyempre, maglalaro ka sa Big Dome, ano? Mecca of sports in the country. Big events. 24 set point for Goodwill. Service area, 1 set point save. And that'll do it. First set will belong to Goodwill. Final count is 25-16, and better ball management and better attacking by the Goodwill team.
They've seamlessly integrated themselves. No? Parang maganda yung kanilang pinakitang pagkilos. But we'll also have to await and anticipate ano ba yung magiging sagot ng Team Charity.
Tawanan pa rin ang tawanan dito sa crossover. Yan lang ang point itong game na ito. Magbabalik po ang inyong UNTV Volleyball League at ang saya ng ating exhibition game after these messages. Ito po ang nangyari, no? Hindi magmamatter yung numbers, pero masaya. Pero look at that. Clearly, the edge... boy, where did the edge happen? Although Goodwill took the set.
Alam mo, very interesting yung ating dito. Team Goodwill. Sila yung nanalo kanina. Despite the fact, nakita natin yung kanilang atake. Only 9 points. Meanwhile, I think baliktad, no? This could have been reverse. Baliktad yata yung ating But in terms of offense, Diyan natin makikita na goodwill ang nasa Team Goodwill, no? Ang lamang pagdating sa kanilang opensa. I think in that first set, Seth, kitang-kita natin na talagang mas fluid yung kanilang naging galaw. And the response of Team Charity, sabi nga natin, ang naging kanilang weakness in the earlier set, yung kanilang first ball at ang kanilang depensa.
Baliktad yung ating stats.
Baliktad lang yung stats, but nonetheless.
Pero clearly, ang advantage na punta sa Goodwill doon.
Opensa, that's something that we saw, no? Opensa, pati yung kanilang
ito, ayusin mo.
Service.
Yan.
Ace. Yun sila nakakayan. Okay, so ito. So, baliktad lang. It's just the exact opposite. Lamang ang Goodwill, no? Pagdating sa kanilang atake, 14 as opposed to 9. At yung ito, we did point this out earlier. Sabi natin, hirap ang Team Charity sa kanilang first ball. Kaya naka 5 service aces itong Team Goodwill. Meron pang iba dyan na hindi puntos, pero hindi nakagawa ng play ang Team Charity dahil mabigat din yung mga serve, no, na binibigay sa kanila.
Okay. Thank you very much. Samantala, ang mga referee nahihilo rin kung sino ang...
Oo.
Kasi ito, no, di ba, ano ito, exhibition game. So they want to be strict about the rotation and the formation, but it's hard.
Siyempre, alalahanin natin, no, yung kanilang posisyon, yung rotation. Now, before we start this set, of course, they are making sure, no, aligned yung mga nandito sa table.
Ang basic kasi, pag ikaw ay back row, hindi ka pwede biglang sisingit ka dyan sa front row. Papapalo dyan. Bawalo yan. Kung mais-mais yan, pwede yan.
Pero dito, syempre, we follow the...
May mga, ano po ito, mga national referees po ito, mga kasama ko natin dito. When we say there's nothing wrong with mais-mais, ibang rules noon. Diba? Iba yung isasampa mo sa net, tapos itataas mo. Ang hirap yun, ha? Mahirap yun, ha?
Ito, meron tayong ano. So while we're waiting, you know, we're looking at the players on the court right now. Habang nag-a-align ang ating mga officials, yung kanilang pwestuhan, kung sino ay yung lineup.
Si Yumang, si Jed Drowley, ay magkasama uli sa floor. Si Tan ng Comelec ng Jans. Pachari stays on.
Peña.
Peña is the new entry. Si Cecilio ang dignan.
Again, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, ang kanilang naging weakness, ang kanilang first ball. But I think Team Goodwill recognizes that. That's why yung kanilang serve talagang kinakalgahan.
Ito, kargado nga. Cecilio gets to it, however. Peña stabs. Yuboko makes it a set. Good toss over that time, but no point by Dario. The track down. Elevated. The strike. Good rally. But Mamangon taking care of the point that time. You don't want to be absent for today. You've been selected to play.
Of course.
Araneta Coliseum. In an all-star game. I'm sure yung AFP-PNP right now, saan ba hindi kami kasali doon? That would have been more fun.
Tapos naririnig mo yung ano.
Yung sigawan.
Sigawan.
Good strike by Peña. Jamie with a solid hit. Watch this.
It's Jamie Yuma, serving.
Oliveri unable to hoist it.
Alam mo, competitive silang lahat. Gustong manalo. Pero nakangiti.
Iba yun. Iba yun. Para silang beauty contestant. Competitive pero nakangiti.
Diba?
Mintis. Uy, pero ginawa ng paraan. Hinabol ni Yumang. Eto si Cecilio. Yuboko. Mamangon. Tinas ni Cecilio. Shaila Tan, who has improved tremendously throughout the tournament. Short! Magandang attempt sa Raitawa.
Yung ano dito, hindi mabigat ang pakiramdam. It is an exhibition game. At the end of the day, gusto mo rin naman manalo. Pero nag-i-enjoy silang talaga.
Na-error ka na nga. Nawapoys ka na nga. Sisimangot ka pa naman. Samantala, service mistake. 3-all. Kompleto pa rin yung BFP coaching staff. Oh. Sa barangay pa rin. Oh. Matatayuin dito mga to. Palalaruin dito mga to. Makita mo. In the meantime, Dario with the serve. Here's Yumang with the set. Cut shot by Cecilio. Charity. Unable to... Oh, Goodwill. Sino ba? Yep. The point goes to Charity. Danica Gendrauli. Hala. Itinaas. Pagpantay, and there's a drop that works.
Malaki ang buta sa gitna ng court ng Team Charity. Look at that. Hindi mabilis yung balik. Kaya lang lahat sila nasa perimeter.
And Yuboko, who has done that all tournament long, knocking that down on 2. We're at 4-all. Mabangon. And Drowley has to hustle for it. The toss over by Peña. Yuboko won't go on 2 right now. This shot is short. And it's a net touch by Abarientos. Or double contact. Either of the 2.
Double contact inside the Team Charity.
Here's Peña. Olavere. Tubog. Down the middle with Pachari.
Good first ball. Magandang set sa gitna. Pachari. Goes for an angled shot.
Alam mo, yung napagkwentuhan natin kanina, naghahanda tayo, pagtatalo ng mahirap. Ano?
Oo.
Pero si Pitoy nakakatalo pa. Hello!
Malaking bagay din na matangkad siya eh.
Actually.
Effort.
Konti na lang itatalo niya.
Oh, abot pa rin.
Abot
The
pa
reach is
rin.
still there.
7-4 ang count natin. We have Abellana and Adolfo returning to the lineup, pulling out Olivere. And I wonder who else. Alam mo, kilala rin ng mga coaches ibang teams kasi nakakalaban, ini-scout. So, ito tayo. 7-4 lamang ang Charity. Peña serve. Magpantay, got to it. Yuboko, standing spike by Tubog. Here comes Yumang. Big shot by Cecilio. Doesn't get to be nailed. Here's Tubog. Peña. Time. Shiloh's shot very much in play. Oh, look at this. Another long rally. Who will strike? It's Pitoy. Tubog was wise to it. Abellana. Peña keeping it in play. Here's the stab. Time. Chewed up by the stab.
Abot na abot.
And Abellana will serve.
Oh, and a miscue on that. Free ball.
Eto na si Lerma. Outside ang deklarasyon.
Oh, mahirap yung down the line na target, no? Maliit lang.
Kahit naman sa anong level, mahirap talaga yung skinita yun eh.
Very little space to work with. So, kailangan accurate.
Pero nahalata mo, no, sa level ng BNL, they always look for it. Ano?
Ah, yes.
Nahanap nila talaga.
Tsaka yung kamay ng blocker at saka yung linya, di ba?
Tapos yung pinagdadaanan, ang kitid-kitid talaga. Charity with a 4-point lead. Let's go with the serve of Sheila Cecilio. It falls on the net for an ace. And we will have Goodwill. Coach Bautista of the BFP calls a timeout.
Gawin natin. First ball, maayos. Setter, bala ka mag-diskarte. Bigyan natin ng agresibong palo. Ha? So, hinga lang muna, hinga muna, hinga muna. Kaya yan. Up, 5 lang naman yan eh. Habulin natin, habulin natin. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Usap kayo sa loob. Team!
daw yung nakalipas, may kirot pa rin para dito sa BFP Lady Firefighters yung pagka-eliminate nila in the semi-finals. Lalo na pagpasok daw nila dito sa Araneta ay dapat dun daw sila sa dugout para sa mga teams na maglalaro pa sa finals ngayong araw. Pero wala daw silang ibang choice kung hindi tanggapin yung sakit na yon at gamitin yung heartbreak na yon to make a more fireproof team for the next season of the UVL. Balik sa inyo.
Fireproof talaga. Yan talaga ang sabi mo. Pero alam mo, they had a wonderful season and they just couldn't win those big games when it mattered most in the semifinals.
Sometimes, no, it's these kinds of heartbreaks, no, na kailangan ng isang team para to come back stronger sa susunod.
I agree. And take nothing away from the PNP. The PNP picked its game up also and took away the BFP in 2 matches in the semifinals. Pachari, no problem that time for the pickup, and it's still there. The drop. 2 players grapple with it. Tanya Gendrali, Comelec teammates said,
I was gonna say, nako, yung communication ba dito, teammates, eh, no? So,
si Shailatan, ang laki ng in-improve niya.
Yes,
no?
oo.
Over the last 2 years. No? Dati hindi umaabot ang serve niya, yung passes niya, but she's just improved. Pachari with a great shot. Abeliana. Backstab by Adolfo. Oh, butas.
much better passing. Good execution para kay Tutoy.
Our score, 11-7. The charity team, the team on the right of your picture, leading right now. They are in the dark uniforms. Hold it. It's a rotation mistake. It was bound to happen.
Oh, ito. But you know, kudos to our officials. At tulad na sinabi mo, ang hirap. Iba-iba ng uniform. Aabangan mo yung sa pwestuhan. Pero matalas ang mga mata.
And they will not call it eh. They've been trained to call that eh.
Yes.
They can easily say, forgive na natin today. Hindi nagka-gulo tayo. Goodwill. Trying to play catch-up here. Down by 4. Lerma Tubog will serving. It sails in cleanly. Gendrali gets a set.
Ooh, that did.
Yes, Magpantay was there. And that's hit outside. Charity getting a break there. We're going to see a lineup change. Sindai is going to see action. Attorney Inting will also come in. She'll pull out Tubog. Shaila Tan will sit down. Alam mo, pagka nagkaroon ng problema uli sa airport na hindi umaandar ang Microsoft, tawagin yung mga referee ng volleyball. Mas mahirap po makapasok ang player sa court kaysa sa immigration. Ano lokohan, di ba? Tagal, bago payagan. Grabe yung nangyari sa airport. Ano?
Yeah, that was...
Whew. And it affected pala the banking system also. Huh? Grabe. Drop. Yuboko. Here we go with the joust. Elevated. Not delivered yet. Here comes the stab. Peña. Magpantay. Just a foot away.
Si Peña. Hindi na nakakuha rin ng puntos. I think 2 attempts, 2 points itong si Peña.
Yes. Pachari wise to that drop in the middle. Peña slaps it over. Kept in play by Attorney Inting. Whoa, big shot by Abeliana. Handled well on the outside. Here comes the elevation by Magpantay. It's a free ball given up to the other side. Here comes the set by Yuboko. Yumang rather. Here comes Yuboko on the other side. Here we go again. Another long rally. Who will end it? Gendrali. Being crafty, sneaky. Magpantay keeps it in play. Here we go. Gendrali. Out.
That is out. But kanina pa nila tinatarget yung corner na yun.
Why not? Kasi walang tao dun eh. Maabante yung depensa. Hulugan ko kaya sa butas sa likod sa zone 1. Kaso, namintis. 14-9. 9 serving against 14. Loaded serve. Well done. That's inside.
Alam mo, this is a great turnaround, no? Para sa Team Charity.
Nag-settle down na sila.
Oo.
Larion is in for the first time pulling out Yuma. Yung mga coaches, they see everything. Kilala nila yung mga players. Sasabihin nila, alam nila kung sino yung papasok nila. Saka nakapag-practice na hindi lahat 100% attendance. Pero at least there were 3 opportunities to have workouts. That matters. That helps.
Oh, it does, definitely.
Ako, kung may practice, sisipot ako. Why not? Pawis yun. Larion, in the meantime, bungles the free ball. It's a 10-15 count. Adolfo returns to the match, pulling out magpantay her teammate in the BFP. Darius serve. Too close to the net. Will they make do? Ho, ho, ho! Yuboko said, Puto! They make a call already.
Oh, sabi nila, sayang. Hinabol pa, but...
4 touches na.
Oo. But they still have a 4-point lead.
Yes, which they want to hang on to and stretch it even more. Because already, Goodwill took the first set. Peña. Elevated high. Yuboko makes it a set. Abellana. Peña. Yuboko. Problemado. Tinaas ni Cecilio. Hinulog ni Gendrali. Palo! Puto! Sabi ni Pitoy. Hala. Another long rally. Hanggang bukas siguro to. Inulog. Ayaw ng bukas. Nicely defended.
Sabi ni Gendrali, kailangan na yung makuha tong second set na to.
Mag-grocery pa ako. Gendrali serve in play. Yuboko has to hustle for it. Larion bungled it, and Goodwill gets its 12th point. Count is 12-16. Nakatuwa, no? Magkakaibang team. Having fun. Nakainggit. Naglalaro sila. Eto na. What we have is the next best thing. We're enjoying what they're doing. And Peña knocks it down.
She's been going after the cross court. Successful that time around. Ito, more substitutions.
Kainlet is in for Yuboko. She has her BFP frontline with her. Let's see if that will help turn this around.
Jamie Peña, serving.
Peña has played well. Seeing action here in the second set. That's thwarted by the net. That will be the 18th point by Charity.
That's point for Team Charity.
Peña serve in play. Abellana, oh, red hot. Managed well by Gendrali. Sid dive, blasts away at it with a standing spike. Gendrali spinning around, becomes a set. Sindai attacks, Magpantay handles. The hesitation, Gray did the mistake.
Not enough to clear the net.
Still, we are in the curtain raiser, the aperitif for the main game, which is the finals, game 2. AFP against PNP for the title. Already PNP taking the first game 2 weeks ago. Oh, Regalo! Regalo again! Tinalikuran ni Adolfo. Sabi niya, ba't buhay pa to?
Ayun! Sayang, sabi ni Peter, palabas. But that's a good one for Goodwill.
Si Peter, inaangguluhan niya. Sabi niya, para malayo ito sa mga to.
Kaya lang, nasa gitna na siya eh.
Hindi niya ma-diskartehan ng kamay. 13-19 tally. Sinday, tayo. Oy, lampas. 2 straight points by Goodwill.
That's a point for Team Goodwill. It's 14 serving 19.
Back with the serve now of Abellana. Pachari. Butas.
Itong si Pitoy, naghahanap na lang talaga ng butas, which I think, no, something that is needed at the moment.
Yes, to finally close the set, you know. They gotta be crafty here.
And again, they lost the first one.
Yes.
They wanna extend it. Ilan porsyento?
Magpantay. The libero of the BFP. Here comes a jump by Sinday. Well done by Abellana.
Ang gandang angulo. Cross court. And may spin yung kanyang bola. Si Hernando over there. Hindi na depensahan ni Peña.
Ang saya, no? Dalawa number 8, Abellana, saka si Inting. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Parehong 8.
Iba na lang yung
Posisyon.
ibang posisyon, ibang kulay.
Ibang kulay na lang.
8 orange, gano'n.
Butas! Lumusot sa block. Sabas will come in for Pachari. Pachari has 9 points. On the other side, it's Abellana, the one from the BFP with the most points with 10. Adolfo with 4. It's the BFP players who are leading the pack for Team Goodwill. As mentioned, the Goodwill team is made up of BFP, Judiciary, and DFA. That's down and out. Peña too far from it. Charity is made up of Comelec, Senate, and the SSS. Of course, players from the BFP and the AFP are not in the match. They're waiting in the locker rooms right now for their own game. Clarification on the part of Goodwill. Who goes out? Who stays on? Who serves? It's good to ask always when you don't know anything. Alam mo, pag kakaswitching, nagkakalimutan.
Nagkakalituhan.
And 30 Inting. Jack Jolly creates the point and brings Charity to 22.
Ito talagang keeping it very simple. Look at Gendrauli.
For the service area,
Actually, pag exhibition, keep it simple.
Oo.
Wala nang exhibition, wala nang kombinasyon, open set. Oy, ganda ng pick-up. Bagpanta. Muntik maapakan ni Adolfo. Becomes a set for Peña. Magpantay, tosses it up. Here comes Adolfo. It's the BFP brigade attacking. Kainglet. Dario. Timo, 5 yung BFP.
Oo nga.
That's out. Kasi habol mo chemistry. Kasi naghahabol eh.
And at this point, palapit na ng palapit itong Team Charity, you know, in terms of like closing out this set. So nakikita natin yung nag-iisang DFA players at nakikipag-usap.
Si Dario.
Oo, si Dario. Just making sure na nagkakaintindihan sila sa loob.
And Coach Bautista seen enough. It's time to listen in to the timeout of Team Goodwill.
Scores at 23-17 in favor of Team Charity.
Alam mo, next time exhibition game, beanie competition na lang.
Kayang-kaya nila yun.
Tanggalin nila lang ng TikTok.
Oo. Kayang-kaya nila yun. Nakikita natin minsan sa side, sumasayaw.
Wala nang practice. Wala na, basta sayawan na lang, di ba? Wala nang referee, wala nang silbi ito mga ito.
Sabi ng players, bring it on.
Bring it on. Kasi sa lahat ng mga laro natin throughout the tournament, nagsasayawan sa warm-up ng mga yan.
Tsaka sa gilid, habang nag-cheer.
Makikita mo ba sa men's game yan? Of course, not falling out. Regalo!
Oh, buhay pa!
Nako, sinong kukurap? Sabi ni Cecilio Anistan Peña, gets it to go! We are done! We will need the final third set. Charity got their game together here and in the second set.
Oo, yun yung tinatanong natin kanina. Paanong adjustment? Sinong mga players? And they did very well here in the second set.
Okay, we will have a final third set. Why not? It's part of the fun, the enjoyment of the UBL here on UNTV. Okay. Alam mo, pag sumaya to, gagawin natin to All-Star Weekend. Diba? Isang weekend, 2 araw ng laro, tapos sayawan. Ganito lang, di ba? Happy-happy lang. Diba?
Happy vibes.
Ayan. Oh, nabaliktad ang trend ng second set.
Oo, halos pareho, ano? 16 ang nakuha ng Team Charity nung first set. Naging 17 ang nakuha ng Goodwill nung second set. But now looking at the stats for set number 2, dito makikita natin, no, for Team Charity, what spelled the difference is mas maganda yung kanilang opensa. No? Hindi na masyadong charity ika nga sinasabi nila. Nakakuha sila ng 13 attack points. Yung Team Goodwill naging consistent sa kanilang blocking. They got 2 points. Meron namang isa ang Team Charity. Yung service aces na binanggit natin na naging strength, no, ng Team Goodwill in the first set, they still got a point out of it. But just the same, itong 6 players, yung paumpisa ng Team Charity, binigatan din, no, ang kanilang serve in that last set. Samantala, yung mga errors contained to single digits for both teams. Ngayon, tulad nga ng sinabi mo, magkakaalaman tayo. They did adjustments earlier.
And we'll understand if some of the coaches will go to familiar faces and they'll go to the big guns here. We want to win. It's fun, it's competitive, but you want to win also. Mas masayang umuwi nakangiti eh.
Yes, syempre. Oh. Itong Team Goodwill mukhang sticking with winning 6. Yan ang kanilang ibinalik ngayong third set. While Team Charity, kanina nakita natin at 1.5 na, no, ang Team BFP na naglalaro. But still familiar faces on the floor.
Set number 3
Buti pinalitan ng Charity yung isa. Akala ko Goodwill versus Goodwill ang maglalaban eh. Akala ko Goodwill versus National Bookstore ang maglalaban eh, di ba? Okay. Mamaya kasi seryoso tayo. Kaya okay lang. Okay, game. Gandang warm-up nito, ha? Kain left. That shot too long. Yung shot ni Mamangon, ni Adolfo, rather, a little too long. Here comes the serve by Sinday. Kainglet goes to Dario. They want to go back to Dairo? No, not quite. Jamie Peña hustles way. Peña gets it to crawl across the net and they have a 2-0 lead.
Yan talagang net, no? Minsan.
Kaibigan.
Pag ikaw naman yung lalandingan ng bola, nako, kalaban, look at that, redirecting the ball.
Ako gagawa ko ng telenovela, volleyball ang team. Kakampi ko ang net. 2-0. Hinabol ni Sisi. Nakatulog sa pansitan sandali yung mga taga Charity. Cecilio ends up diving. And Kainglet will serve.
Minsan yun yung nalilimutan, ano, pag nagda-dive, hindi sila nakakapag-lunge. Taking that step will give you more reach.
That crawls over the net. The whip by Gendrauli. Kainglet. Uh-oh. Momentarily, hindi naka-response si Adolfo. Block! Penny is blocked, but it's still in play. Kainglet resets, recycles, goes to Abellano. That's a familiar move for BFP. It's in the air. Kainglet with the first touch. They gotta send it over. Set up by Yuman. Peña. Yuboco says, I got it. Gendrauli got it! Gendrauli has registered 5 points in this match. Normally at this time, pag 3 sets, usually nakaka-14-15 na yan. Oh, dead in the water. Charity has a 3-point lead.
Sila ngayon ang nagkakaproblema with the first ball.
Uh-oh. The serve of Yuman is very short. 3-point given to Goodwill. Again, you're watching the exhibition match, a Goodwill game, featuring our players who did not make it to the championship round, but the spirit definitely of championship caliber as Cecilia finds the open spot, makes it 5-2. Masarap nga naman umuwi, panalo eh. Uuwi ng malungkot. Masaya ka nga sa bonding at fellowship, pero pag talo, ayaw mo yun. Gusto mo umuwi, winner! Pachari!
Saka sabi nga natin, kahit nakatawa-tawa lang itong ating, tumatawa-tawa itong players natin, competitive yan.
1-7, nailed that just before the baseline. Watch this. The serve. Yvonne's serve. Pachari can't strike. Becomes a set by Pesebre. Goes to, Boras. Unable to nail it. Was deep under the ball. Charity with a 3-point lead. Oh, service ace. And Charity beginning to settle down, become more confident with better passing and better serving since the second set. Sama ng umpisa nila pero nakabawi-bawi na sila.
Nakabawi agad.
Gendrauli kneels down for it. This is problematic, but no problem for Cecilio, has played well coming off the bench. And Abellano knocks it in.
Alam mo, itong si Abellano babad na babad and has really delivered for Team Goodwill. 11 points already, I think, for this game.
And si Abellano, all business maglaro yan. Ilang beses din nag-best player yan nung kanilang 11 game winning streak. Pinutol ng PNP. Pachari knocks that in. Brings Charity to 8. Pachari making the signal. Dito kanya bola nito. Ay! Dito mawin. Nangyay ng dispensa si Cecilio. 8-5 ang count natin. Pachari, long. Six-8, closing time. Pesebre serve. Couldn't cross the net. Charity gets a Charity. Tyler returns for South Boras.
Serving for Team Germany, Itoy Samuang.
Samuang will serve. Attack mode. Yes, that'll work.
Off the blockers.
Mamangon has always had that height, that elevation. Good read. 2-point game. Third set. Dairo. Jen Rowley. Pesebre right there. Kainglet makes it a set. Dairo blasts away. Peña saves it. Free ball given to the other side. Attack possibility. Patsari with one hand on it, and it's a misplay, mishandled pass.
Walang hinayang sila. But sabi nila Adolfo ay buti na lang.
Oo naman. Para dumikit.
Oo, didikit ang kanilang score.
Dairo serve. Here comes a chase down, and we're tied. We are tied.
You see the effort of Cecilio to keep the ball alive. Dahil tie na ang score.
Third and final set. First set going to the Goodwill team. However, Dairo unable to get it to cross. We'll have Sabas returning for the charity team pulling out Peña. Kyle Sindai will serve. Set by Kainglet. Good block in the middle by Danica Jen Rowley.
Adolfo well read. Napwestuhan talaga.
Yuboko returns, pulling out Kainglet. Very close here in the third. 9-11 tally. Sindai serve. Pesebre. Yuboko. The dump over by Dairo. Here comes Sabas. Yes!
So much power on that attack.
Quick set. Block. And return the sender.
You see the net defense of Team Charity has been very effective.
And they lead by 4. We have a timeout asked for by Goodwill.
Alam mo, nagkumalaw kayo, wala pa yung bola nandun na. So anticipate na yung balik ng bola mabilis ha. Sabi nga, bawal yung taga-tanawan. Abang tayo sa balik ng bola. Tsaka yung palo ni Ma'am Sabas, medyo pa-cross, bantayan natin siya. Okay? Yan, bantayan natin. 5-1, bantayan natin siya. Let's go!
Ang kwento na ibahagi dito sa Season 2 ng UVL at kasama na rin dyan yung kwento nitong si Judith Abel. So just a recap, bumalik na papuntang Cebu si Judith Abel to look for a regular job outside of volleyball nung nag-isip siya na bumalik dito sa Manila para mag-try out para sa isang professional team. Only to find out that she is ineligible to join that team at natawagan siya ng Comelec dahil nga nangangailangan sila ng import. Dahil sobrang ganda ng pinakita nitong si Judith Abel sa Comelec ay ininbitahan siya ng isang professional team para mag-try out sa kanila. Kaya ngayon masaya siyang binahagi na kasama na siya at nakasign siya sa isang professional team. Kaya naman hindi pwedeng maglaro si Judith Abel para sa exhibition ngayong araw dahil it's against her contract. Pero kitang-kita mo si Judith Abel complete in uniform from head to toe in support of the UVL. Balik sa inyo.
And she is, of course, Ira, thankful for the UVL. It kept her in condition, kept her, napagkwentuhan natin to na, volleyball may have been a close chapter for her, but the Lord seems to have another plan for her.
Oo, diba? And UVL played a big part in that. also. Tama nga yung kondisyon. Nakita naman natin kung ano yung kanyang performance din dito, ano?
And she has, in her social media posts and interviews, she has acknowledged her participation in the Comelec team. In the meantime, and she joined the Combine, yung pre-game, pre-season workouts before being signed up anew. She was literally a free agent, actually. Here comes Sabas. Yuboko, good set. Oh, but a one-handed pickup by Sendai. Pacheri with a standing blast. Yuboko reverses. Oh, hindi pinilit ni Dairo. Nowhere to go. Attack! Yes! Wicked shot by Jalen Sabas.
You know, why not? Walang blocker. Sabi ni Sabas, pwedeng ibaon.
Kita mo si Yuboko, Diyos ko.
Oo, abangan eh. No?
Diyos ko. Ano yun?
Para make sure kung sa kanya man masaluman lang.
At least maitaas, ano? Hindi naman masakit yan eh. Nakakagulat lang. Sabas, lands short this time. 6-point lead nonetheless. More charity. Reggie Tobiera, who started today, pulls out Jim Browley. And Yuboko serving. Tobiera. Abellana! Why not? Let him down. Go to Abellana.
Definitely delivered in today's game.
Laida Abellana with double markers, 11 points. Make that 12 actually. In the meantime, 5-point affair. Sabas rejected. Abellana doing a little of everything. Block point for Laida Abellana.
Just what they need. Nakita nila eh. Pag iniwan mong walang block nitong si Sabas, ibabaon talaga yung bola.
Time out. Let's listen in to Team Charity.
Tapos tayo ha. Siba natin. Kasi yung bola ha.
Kung nagtatanong kayo kung nakapag-ensayo itong mga pupunan prior to this exhibition game, ay hindi na po talaga nag-i-ensayo itong mga pupunan na to after being eliminated from the UVL Season 2. Sobrang excited lang daw talaga nila maglaro ngayong araw. Lalong-lalo na sa Araneta gaganapin yung venue. Kaya naman block off talaga nila yung schedule nila para makapaglaro ngayong Sunday dahil para sa kanila this is the cherry on top for their UVL Season 2. Balik sa inyo.
Dapat, Ira, nakisabay ka na sa mga balloons, sumasayaw ka rin ng left, right, left. ang ingay kasi nitong si DJ Adam eh.
Pero enjoy na enjoy ang ating crowd.
Mamaya pagod na yan.
Ikaw ang hinihintay ko, Seth, na mamaya sasayaw na dito.
Ready na kami rito. Naka-standby na ang TikTok ng salamin. Steps na lang, minamaster. Down the middle. Tobiera, her shot being bandied about. Abellana. Problematic. Tobiera lifts it high. They didn't call it. Casembre may have had the double contact, but they let him play. Sabas gets the point in a different way. Darion will come in for Yumam.
This means it will be Cecilio calling the place.
Alam mo, nahalata ko rin sa tournament. Yung iba, kunwari, hindi magkakilala. Because they're in government, marami dyan magkakilala. They relate. They have to go to Department of Justice. They have to go to the Judiciary. Look at this. 18-point of Jeremy.
Pero sa tingin ko, kung hindi man sila nagkakilala doon, it's because because of this shift of the UVL. Pangalawang taon na rin eh. So sila nagkikita-kita, nagbabatian, nagkakakwentuhan.
Yes. At saka, araw-araw, twice a week nakikita sa venue. Sa ating bahay sa Paco Arena. 18-12. Larion. Good set. Handled well by Larion. Here comes Sabas, slicing it up. Yuboko sends it to Abellana. Seiya is there. Sabas. And she's delivered some key points for Charity here. Larion will serve.
Serve over there. Natin si Abellana has been effective and she gets that point down the line attack. Ang ganda ng kanyang execution. Look at this.
19-13 count. Close to the net. Problematic. And it's a net touch. Why not?
The touch by Team Sherway.
14-19. Let's see if Goodwill has one last hurrah here. Larion. Sabas. Oh, Pesebre got that to tap over. Yuboko. Pesebre gets it off the block. Goodwill still alive and kicking. Here comes the serve of Adolfo. Whoa, just above the net. Sabas got to it. It becomes a strike opportunity, and it does not cross over.
For touches by Team Sherway. For Team Goodwill.
Goodwill knocking at the door here. Good serve, just slightly above the net. Sabas.
Oh, good dig.
Yes, indeed. Pachari. Down the middle we go to Biera. Oh, Sabas! Sabi niyo, ando na ako eh.
Oo pero itong si Sabas. Oh, this should be a strong front line right now for Team Charity.
Sabas, someone is there.
Oh.
Nice tap, but someone wise to it. Taps it over. Gets it to bide, and they get to 21.
Itong si Cecilio, nagpapakita rin versatility. Siyempre, nakita natin yan din. Attacker.
Yeah.
Setter.
Tobiera serve.
Team Goodwill for a free ball here.
Ganda ng set ni Cecilio. Lumulutang outside lang.
Oh, may konting gigil.
May konting gigil, pero ganda ng set. Ang sarap paluin eh. Highlight would come in for Yuboko. If you're just joining us, first set going the way of Goodwill, 25-16. Charity fighting back in the second, 25-17. Sang Muang, Santa Maria, who started out today. Here comes Sang Muang again, knocks it down.
Yung mga ganyan, napapaisip ka minsan, ang hirap depensahan. Look at this.
Actually, may block eh, no?
May block, pero kita mo, the ball really landing in between two defenders.
Saka yung block, iniwas ni Pitoy eh. Iniwas niya, ginamitan ng kamay.
Sabi nga natin, malaking bagay that she has the height.
Ayun, no? Hindi lang na dinan. Regalo yun. Oh, good return. Pesebre has been quite a fighter for the judiciary. Makes it 18-22. The serve will belong to Loida Abellana. Biglang naging competitive. Ano? Wala na kumatalo eh.
Kanina sabi natin, fun. Pero syempre, tulad ng sinabi mo, masarap umuwi ng panalo.
Wala nang, hindi na fun to. Seryoso na. 1922, Goodwill rapping at the door.
Whatever the turnout would be for this third set, kita natin na talagang pinaghirapan.
Yeah. No question about it. Kasi umabot ng Max Pachari delivering the goods. 2 points away for Charity to seal the deal. Cecilio with that jump serve of her skying left. Handled well by the back row to Biera and company. There's Sinday. Pisebre gets it to connect, and they're still alive.
Well, the game isn't over until mag-25. So, ang kapit nakikita natin yung sa team Goodwill.
Adolfo in for Mamangon. Damo, next year, lakas ng BFP. They are hurting from the experience, but they will be a better team next year. They're loaded with players. In the meantime, Sang Wang punched over and kept alive. Here comes the set. They want to finish it. Namomorkento na sila. And we arrive at match point.
Gusto ko yung si Cecilio nakikita. Isa pa. Nagkakaintindihan na. Tagalog na yun. Isa pa.
Wag na natin patagalin ito. In the meantime, timeout by Goodwill.
Sabayan natin sa black, ha? Yung mga nasa likod naman, abangan, medyo malakas yung spiker natin, okay? Isa pa. Hindi pa yan tapos. Wala pa 25. Habol tayo. Let's go. Sipagan lang sa pag-receive. So, coverage. Blocking, please, sipagan. Go, itim! Lagi ko nakakalimutan.
Papaisip, ano ba yung ating cheer? Lagi na nakakalimutan. O nga, ng Team Goodwill.
Nasanay. Alam mo yun si Coach. Si Coach maraming acronym yan eh. Recoil, reset. Kaya na marami siyang ganun eh. Eto, AS All-Star. Ayaw niya ibisto ko ano yun eh. And what a way for her to say goodbye to this season with this great performance. It was a joyful game, no?
Yes.
Ang ganda ng bawi ng Charity actually.
Tama. And looking at the numbers here, kahit lamang itong Team Charity and they did win our match today, makikita rin naman natin yung fight na ibinigay nitong Team Goodwill. Sabi nga natin, they may not go home with a win, but still, they should be proud.
Yeah.
Dahil maganda yung kanilang laban na naipakita.
And the spirit of sports, goodwill, and charity so evident in this exhibition game.